In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create software interfaces design in Flutterflow. To get started, head over to Flutterflow and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the platform, click Create New to begin. From there, you can choose a blank project if you want to build everything from scratch, or you can start with a template if you'd like a faster starting point. After that, enter your project name and create the project. This gives you a clean workspace where you can begin designing your software interface. Next, you'll want to create the main pages for your app. Open the widget tree or the pages panel depending on how you prefer to navigate inside Flutterflow. Click Add Page and then create the screens you need for your interface. Common examples include a login page, a home page, a dashboard, a settings page, and a profile page. Setting up your pages early helps organize your project and makes the rest of the design process much smoother. Once your pages are ready, start building the layout. Drag layout widgets onto the canvas, such as column, row, container, stack, or list view. These are the structural building blocks of your interface. Arrange them carefully to create the layout you want. Think of this stage as defining the skeleton of each screen before you add the visual details. After the layout is in place, begin adding your UI components. Drag and drop widgets like text, buttons, text fields, images, icons, cards, a navigation bar, and an app bar. As you place each element, adjust its size, spacing, and alignment so the screen feels balanced and easy to use. Small spacing changes can make a big difference in how polished your interface looks. Now customize the design to match the style you want. Change colors, fonts, and borders. Add rounded corners and shadows where appropriate, and configure padding and margins to improve readability and spacing. If you have a brand style in mind, apply that theme consistently across your screens so everything feels unified. To make the app functional, add navigation between pages, select a button or another interactive widget, open the Actions panel, and add a Navigate to Action. Then choose the page you want that element to open. This is how you connect your screens and create a smooth user flow. After that, check how your design responds on different devices. Switch between mobile, tablet, and desktop previews, and adjust your layouts for different screen sizes. Use responsive widgets and constraints whenever needed so the interface remains clean and usable everywhere. Finally, click Run or Preview to test your interface. Go through the navigation, review the layout, and make any necessary adjustments. When everything looks good, save your project, then deploy your app or export the Flutter code if needed. As your project grows, keep refining the interface to improve both design and usability.